What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I got a case video for y'all. Now, as you know, I just copped the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I needed a case that's gonna let my phone shine, but at the same time, I'm gonna be able to protect my phone. And when I say let my phone shine, what I mean is this, guys. Got the 12 Pro Max. It's the newest iPhone out. It's a very good looking iPhone, as you can see, with the nice silvery edges and the nice trim on the camera ring and all that type of good stuff. Got a lot going on with this device. Ooh, you see the fingerprints? That's what I want to stop also. So I needed a good clear device. A good clear case. Now, as you can see, I got the Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear. I've used this case on many occasions for those great looking devices that I don't want to cover up and hide, guys. As you can see, it says it's for the new iPhone 6.7 2020. And as you can see, it's for 5G, clear guarantee. You don't want nothing that's going to turn yellow on you. As you can see, let's check the back out. Lifetime warranty, 13-foot drop protection, and an antimicrobial product protection. That's a layer, a substance they put on the case, guys, that helps cut down on the germs that's on your phone and on your phone case. And right now, that is very important. So that sounds very dope right now, because you know we're going through as far as this pandemic. Now, okay, so seeing that, we see the nice white presentation spec packaging, normal. And as you can see, we got the arrow pointing down. All I have to do is slide it out like so, and we present it with this spec case. So we're going to get rid of this packaging. We're going to check out the case itself. Now, this is a very sturdy case, guys. This is not your average thin TPU case. This case is sturdy. It's hardened to a degree. It's still flexible, but it's hardened for protection, guys. So as you can see, it's a crystal clear case. As you can see, looking through my hand, it is crystal clear, and it's got some nice sides on it, but it is not of your regular cheap TPU case, guys. You pay for what you get. You want to protect this $1,100 device, guys. End of the day, you know what I'm saying? We don't go out here and spend $5 on a case when you just spent $1,200 on the phone. That don't make sense. So as you can see, we got some Speck branding. We've got the buttons. Got nice physical buttons on here. We've got the cutout for our mute button. Very dope. We got some more Speck branding right here. Let me see if I get that. Okay, as you can see, Speck branding on the bottom. Let me get that one more time. Come on, there we go. And as you can see, we got all our cutouts on the bottom. So very nice case, and it's raised up around the camera system, as you can see. And you're going to need that because you want to protect these cameras also. So I'm going to go ahead and put my silver iPhone 12 Pro Max up in the case. Nice installation. It's not a super easy installation, guys, because this case does have some, hardness to it or whatever. So as you can see, you can still see my device, and I'm going to hit these edges, guys, on my device, because you see I had some fingerprints and stuff. But as you can see, everything is still visible. You can see that I got the nice silver iPhone 12 Pro Max, guys. And as you can see, it's very clear, very nice case, very protective. This type of case, and you can easily get a screen protector for this phone, guys, because it's a flat screen. So we're not worried about, like with Samsung screens, get a nice screen protector in a clear case like this, guys. Even though you don't really look, we got a lot of raised up lip around the display of this screen. So, you can't worry about that. You can get a screen protector. I don't rock screen protectors because I just don't like the way they feel sometimes. But we got a nice raised up lip here that if you drop your phone on a flat surface, 9 times out of 10, the case is going to hit the ground before your phone display does. It's a nice protective case from Speck, guys. Very dope, very clear, very protective, and it just does exactly what it needs to do. It's very clear, so you can still look and see a beautiful iPhone, but it is very protective at the same time, with a nice raised up lip around the screen, guys. And we got a nice raised up lip around the camera system, guys. So this is your man BG Tech Life. This is the Speck Presidio. This is the Perfect-Clear. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and get subscribed. Like the video, comment on the video. It's your man BG, and I'm out. Peace.